if you would like to know how to invest or buy stocks with a low income, then this video is for you. Today we're going to talk about 5 stocks, that is US stocks, you can buy or you can invest with a low income, right? And all these stocks have been picked. Now the great thing about this is that you don't need hundreds of dollars to buy these stocks. You can start as little as $10 and be building it up over time through a method I'm going to show you. And so just stay glued to your seat, get your books, your pens, your notepads, your iPads, whatever you used to take information, and then let's start this video. Now remember that this video is not financial advice. Make sure you consult a financial expert, consultant before you start buying stocks, because buying stocks is a risky venture. So let's dive straight into the video. Now if you're watching me from Ghana, Nigeria, and you want to buy stocks, the app you can use is called the Bamboo app, which allows Ghanaians and Nigerians to buy stocks which are on the Ghana, which are located on the US stock exchange. And so if you want to learn how to do so, just send a comment. I'll send a link to the video. I've already done a video on that, so I'm just going straight to the stocks. Now the first stock is Apple. We all know what the Apple is. We all know about iPhone, MacBooks, AirPods. All these are made by the Apple company. Now, what maybe you didn't know, that Apple is one of the stocks that has a great brand. I mean, the company has a great brand. It has consistent growth, and it also pays dividends, right? As of April 30th, 2025, which is today, that's the time I'm shooting this video, Apple's stock price is $201.21. And so the great thing about it is that you don't need all the $200 to start buying stocks. You can start with as little as $10 using the Bamboo app, right? As little as $10 using the Bamboo app. Now, if you like to learn how to buy fractional shares using the Bamboo app, you can join our US stock class, and then we'll coach you on how to do so, right? The great thing about it is that when you buy Apple shares, it means that you are owning a piece of the iPhone. Right, that's the great thing about it. And so if you're somebody that loves the iPhone brand, you're looking for a good, strong, consistent stock, you can check out buy Apple stock. Now, the second one is Amazon, right? We know what Amazon does. Amazon dominates e-commerce, right? They are one of the kings of online shopping. Even with competition from other online shopping companies, Amazon has dominated, right? And they don't just only do online shopping, they also dominate cloud computing used with their company AWS, which is into cloud computing, which is powering a lot of companies all over the world, right? It's a powerful global business. It has great growth in tech and logistics. And the great thing about Amazon is that they are always reinvesting their profits into expansion, into research and development. So it's actually a great stock for beginners. Right, as of April 30th, 2025, Amazon stock price is $187.39. So it's a stock to buy and hold for a long term. It has made a lot of people very rich, has made them millionaires, and so it's great for beginners who are into long-term investing. And like I said, you don't need all the $187 to buy Amazon stock. You can buy it in fractions using the Bamboo app. That's the great thing about it. So let's go to the third stock. Now, the third stock is VOO. Now, VOO is actually an ETF. That's an exchange-traded fund. Now, it's not just a stock, but it's a basket of the top 500 companies in the US. It includes Apple, Microsoft, Google, many more, and in diverse industries. It's very diversified. And so that's the great thing about the first great thing is the instant diversification. When you invest into VOO, you're investing into a diversified portfolio of the top 500 companies in America. The second thing is that it's actually very low risk for beginners. And so for people who don't know what stock to buy and they are confused for the first time, VOO is actually a good alternative for them. Now the third point is that it's actually one of Warren Buffett's favorite strategies. That's using VOO. If you know who Warren Buffett is, and you should know why this is significant, he's considered by many as one of the greatest investors of all time. And then he's the owner of Berkshire Hathaway. Right? The current price of VOO is of $549. $500.49. And with fractional shares, you can start with as little as $10 and you automatically keep on investing. Now the fourth stock is Johnson & Johnson. Now, Johnson & Johnson's ticker symbol is J&J. Now, if you know what Johnson & Johnson does, I mean, you know baby oil, they are actually a stable and less risky stock. They have been operating for around 100 years and they make a lot of healthcare products used by millions of people all over the world. Now, the first great thing about Johnson & Johnson is that they pay reliable dividends. When it comes to dividend-paying stocks, J&J is one of them which people trust for reliable dividends. And it has been able to survive a lot of economic downturns because, I mean, it's been around for over 100 years. And it's a great passive income for investors. As of today, which is 30th April 2025, its stock price was $155.91. And it's a classic long-term stock, perfect for beginners who want steady growth and income. Now, Realty Income is the fifth one. Now, Realty Income is known as the monthly dividend-paying company, and it's a REIT, which REIT means Real Estate Investment Trust. Now, the Real Estate Investment Trust, the great thing about it is that they pay dividends every month, and they invest in commercial real estate. They are great for small investors and who want cash flow every month. That means you want an investment that's going to pay you every month, then Realty Income is one of the best for you. As of today, its current stock price is $57.38. And so that's one of the great stocks out there for beginners. Now, if you want to learn how to buy these stocks, like I said, you can join our class and then you'll be attended to. You're always there to be of assistance to people who want to learn how to buy stocks on the US stock market. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment, and then we'll talk more next time.